Are you looking for something to do this weekend? The Sounds of Africa Festival 2.0 is the place to be at Garfield Park in Everett on Saturday from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Come and enjoy traditional African cuisines, fashion, and live music by Africans themselves.
Yes!
8 different bands and groups will be performing live music, so be there or nowhere. Guess what? Over 60 vendors will also be there to sell, display, and give away free resources. Don't forget to bring your kids to enjoy our brand new bouncy house, face painting, musical chairs, and other fun games and activities. Come and be part of this historic event that is bringing Africa to Washington State. For more information, contact the Washington West African Center on 253-235-2132 or email us on info@wawak.org or visit www.wawak.org. Sounds of Africa Festival, bringing Africa to Washington State. Be there to have a blissful weekend. Thank you and good luck.